Here's some telegraphy trivia. Subscribe. Who invented the first successful electrical telegraph? Is it A, Guglielmo Marconi, B, Thomas Edison, C, Alexander Graham Bell, or D, William Fothergill Cooke? The correct answer is D, William Fothergill Cooke. In what year was Samuel Morse born? Is it A, 1791, B, 1793, C, 1801, or D, 1789? The correct answer is A, 1791. What type of wire is most common in telegraphy? Is it A, aluminum wire, B, steel cable, C, copper wire, or D, plastic-coated wire? The correct answer is C, copper wire. What was the first message sent by the Transcontinental Telegraph? Is it A, good morning, B, what hath God wrought, C, it's time, or D, hello world? The correct answer is B, what hath God wrought? What animal was famously used for message delivery before telegraphy? Is it A, dog, B, monkey, C, pigeon, or D, cat? The correct answer is C, pigeon. What is the standard code used in telegraphy to represent letters? Is it A, Morse, B, ASCII, C, Braille, or D, semaphore? The correct answer is A, Morse. In what year did the first successful transmission of Morse code occur? Is it A, 1812, B, 1844, C, 1826, or D, 1850? The correct answer is B, 1844. What historical event significantly increased the use of telegraphy? Is it A, American Civil War, B, moon landing, C, World War I, or D, the Great Depression? The correct answer is A, American Civil War. What is the process of translating messages into Morse code called? Is it A, transmitting, B, encrypting, C, decoding, or D, encoding? The correct answer is D, encoding. Which organization regulates international telecommunication standards? Is it A, D3C, B, FCC, or D, ITU? The correct answer is DTU. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.